Well, we're not even in the park, and here's a whole bunch of construction for EPCOT. Wow, look at this, all ripped up over here.
March 1st.
There's already some progress on this reimagination of EPCOT.
Manhattan, Montana.
Here we are, Flower and Garden. That's what we're here to see today.
Yeah.
Before you should get some map. Welcome to my coverage of the Flower and Garden Festival for 2019, but first, when I arrive, for some reason, just always have to do a Spaceship Earth. I don't know, it's a thing. It's a weird thing. I have a lot of weird things. This is just one of them. Not sponsored by Siemens anymore. Interesting. So these two aren't new, but this is a new location for them over here in Future World East. This used to be a display about water conservation the previous 2 years, but as you can see, they even made a little road out of different plants, which is pretty neat. Even though race cars and old trucks are not exactly environmentally friendly. So what is in the spot that used to be for the cars? Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Little Bo Peep, and a three-headed sheep. Just kidding, it's three. I know. Can't believe they're making another one. These are new. Not new characters, but new topiaries for 2019. Although there's been a play area every year since I've started coming, which is this is only my 3rd year. This play area, the specific one in this location, is new for this year. All, of course, based around Toy Story 4. Ooh. I don't know what this. That's it. That's all it does. So I was thinking it was like something. Yep, that's all. Thought I did something cooler than that. And because you can't tell by looking at it, because I couldn't, this is obviously fake grass, and it's on the sort of bouncy rubber. I think it's recycled tires. You see it over here, so this is really, well, bouncy. I have a feeling that there's supposed to be something to hit this with. Looks like they need to get out here and maintain it. Well, these don't seem to do much of anything. Oh well. And here's some plants. It's impossible to cover all of the plants in the Flower and Garden Festival. There's just so many, it's amazing. Over by Club Cool, something new this year is plant a garden perfect for pollinators. Fine, be that way. Over here, kind of close to the land, and the entrance, or one of the entrances to Future World Future World West, is the washed ashore penguin sculpture. This sculpture is trash. Over by the Journey to Imagination is the Flavorful Kitchen. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna skip this one. Here's what it looks like with some images. Those tarts do look pretty good though. It's got a really pretty setting here for you to stand and eat and look at the festival. Really nice. And this is where the play area has been in the past, and you see there's one here again. And even though it is a play area that existed before, what is inside is new, so it is a new play area in that sense. Like that spinning globe is new this year. This is more of that squishy used tire, but this is really thick over here. This is interesting. Quieter than it looks. Yeah, little crawl path in there. That's cool. Wouldn't want to crawl around on that, but sure. This might be a little rough on the knees when you kneel on it. It's not sharp, it's just an odd shape. Yep, construction walls. And in the lagoon, they're setting up for Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, which was a show that was only supposed to go for 1 year in 2000, and it's gone for almost 20 years. But it is ending soon to be replaced with something else or just something new. I won't be staying late enough to show you this though. But I have shot a multi-camera view of this in the past, so I probably won't link to it because I'll forget. But if I do, it's up in the top corner. If not, just do a search on my channel. So I do wonder if they ever come through here and dredge the lagoon to remove all of the fallout from the fireworks. If not, there must be quite a layer of fireworks debris in the bottom of this. Over near the port of entry, the one that was here before, the other one, is the citrus blossom. They have a beer on tap called Isle Morada. I've been there before. It's in the Keys. Near the Odyssey is Trowel and Trellis, I think. Probably saying that wrong. Got some corn here. Doesn't say any children of the corn, but the corn is here. Life is peachy here at Corn. Sorry, this is very difficult to shoot because it's in direct sunlight. It's hard to see on camera, but this is the second time I've been in EPCOT and saw a rainbow in that exact general area. Exact in general. Good job. Please leave a comment below. I'm over here in Germany. Please leave a comment below if you know why this boat service no longer runs. Because there's a dock on both sides, just like over between Morocco and World Showcase. But this one does not run for some reason. So I walked all the way halfway around the World Showcase to see the sunflowers and the American Pavilion. And this is it. This is all you see. Wow. Totally worth the walk. Yeah, okay. I think you can see the gondola back there. You can. And remember, today is the first day of supposedly the no smoking policy here at Walt Disney World Parks. I'm sure people are going to smoke anyway. I forgot till just now. I was meaning to watch to see if I can find some smoking anyway, because I have a feeling people are just going to do that. But since I'm here, let's take a quick look at the new Guardians of the Galaxy attraction, which is of course the former Universe of Energy. They've really cutted that whole place out. It's just a shell of a building at this point. It's about all I can show you, so what's this? Looks like it's a Spaceship Earth cupcake, but just a different theme. Unfortunately, I've already had plenty of baked goods today, so I'm not going to try it, but maybe next time. I hope it's as good as a Spaceship Earth cupcake. Okay, look, I can explain. So, I've been walking around all day, and I got hungry, and I'm like, yeah, I really do want to know the answer to, is this as good as the Spaceship Earth cupcake? So, yeah, I got it. So it's not quite as good as it's not quite the same as the Spaceship Earth cupcake. It's very similar. The top part is really good. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it is different enough from the Spaceship Earth one. And you can see there's no icing in the middle either, which is a little bummer. But overall, it's very good, I think.